Traxxas the Rustler, Traxxas, 35 miles per hour, top speed. Here we go. You guys want to help? Start pulling plastic. Steve, we gonna throw all that away for me? Thanks, dude. Now, where's this open? There it is. Here we go. Let's put that away.
Careful with sharp objects, right?
Yep.
Hey, I'm definitely standing the back because I am.
What do we have first?
We have foam.
Foam?
We have
and
foam.
then
Here's the body.
nice looking body.
That
Very
is
colorful.
a nice looking body. Now the car.
The car itself.
We have to set it on its side and slide it, maybe?
There's the car.
Nice. Nice.
We got instructions with charger, portable charger, extra parts, and then we got the remote.
And then
Traxxas.
Oh, it's-
Nice remote.
Very nice.
And that's about it.
come on. Yeah, to be honest.
And what club are we?
Lynx RC.
RC Club!
Abraham linked to RC, come on.